kun hun menteri jong Sorkar jela ne kesngi kala banjur ban pynjlan ya ka samoi trei jong ka KHADC Hills Autonomous District Council bat jong ka JHADC Hills Autonomous District Council na ka benda nriu bnai yak ne ka rai la manjur da ka kun hun menteri ha ka jing ya kendo ka balalong ne kesngi ka artrek rampang arjar arpsa na ka leng usembut menteri rangba ka jela ba Presiden Song ubadairu menteri badai pet ya katana DCA haba keren betunong tho kubor ulai tu ba ka jing pynjlan yak samoi trei jong kini ki artli ki district council kadai halor ka nongrem ba kini ki district council kidang penbet ya kisnong hagi constituency ki ba pher lengba ka delimitation committee ka ba kila thau house nem baladam su na kaleng ba tunsong ula ong ba kini ki committee kala panpor ban pendap ya ki kam ki ba ya dei ber ki jing penbet thamai ya ki constituency hakaba kila phai ke jengkarpat syak Sorkar langba ka tana DCA bat nagaleng Sorkar langba ka kanhun menteri kala kmi bnia ya kani bat kila shim ya kani rai ban pynjlan na ka benda nriu bnai yak samoi trei jong kini ki artli ki district council.
Good evening, friends. A few decisions today taken by the cabinet, who came in from the Department of DCA, District Council Affairs Department, where the proposal was for the extension of the terms of both KHADC and JHADC Hills District Council. So I wanted to explain here. I think if you could recollect, last year, towards the end of 2023, the Honorable Governor has granted both the District Council for constitution of the delimitation committee, and this delimitation committee is on the job as per the prescribed guidelines done. And recently, both the District Council, again, they have sent the proposal to the state government for extension of delimitation committee, and that extension was also sought by both the delimitation committee through the executive committee of both KHADC and JHADC District Council, and ultimately the government and the Department of District Council Affairs has examined all these details, and ultimately the cabinet this evening has approved the proposal for extension of the present terms of both KHADC and JHADC District Council for another 6 months. And this term for another 6 months, meaning because the term of both these two district councils will be expired in the month of March, 5th March 2024. From that date itself, 6 months is approved for extension, and now the state government will send this recommendation to the Honorable Governor for approval and for according the necessary order on this.